In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit/delete filters in Gmail account. So first things first, I'm opening Gmail in my browser and making sure I'm logged in. Once we're in, I'm heading up to the gear icon in the top right corner and clicking on settings. That brings up a small menu, but we want all the options, so I'm clicking on see all settings to open the full settings page. Now that we're on the full settings page, I'm navigating over to the filters and blocked addresses tab. Here is where Gmail keeps all the filters we've created for incoming emails, and it's really convenient because you can manage them all in one place. So I'm scrolling through the list and selecting the filter that I want to edit first. Once the filter is selected, I'm clicking on edit. This opens up the original filter settings, and here I can make any changes I need, whether it's adjusting the email address it applies to, changing the subject line, or tweaking what happens to those emails. Once I've made the changes I want, I'm clicking continue, which brings me to the next step where Gmail asks me to confirm the actions for the filter. Then I'm clicking update filter to save those changes. Now the filter is updated and working exactly the way I want. Next, I'm going to show how to delete a filter entirely. I'm going back to the list of filters, selecting the filter I want to remove, and this time I'm clicking delete. Gmail will ask for confirmation just to make sure you really want to remove it, so I'm clicking OK and the filter is gone. This is really helpful if you no longer need certain rules or want to clean up your inbox management. So, to recap, we opened Gmail, went to settings, clicked see all settings, then navigated to filters and blocked addresses. From there you can select a filter to either edit it by making changes and updating it, or delete it completely by selecting and confirming deletion. It's straightforward once you know where everything is, and it really helps keep your inbox organized the way you want it. After you've updated or deleted your filters, everything will apply automatically, so any future emails that match those rules will follow the updated instructions, or just come straight into your inbox if a filter was deleted. It's a small step but really makes a difference in keeping Gmail working the way you need it to. And that's it for editing and deleting filters in Gmail. Once you've done this a couple of times, it becomes second nature, and it's a great way to manage your emails without having to sift through everything manually.